Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Depending on the particular time you come across this video, please stay and watch this tutorial. That's if you happens to partake on the Nodepay signal participation. If you participated on it and you don't know how to check your reward for the season one, is very simple and very easy, because most of us is still finding it difficult to go about this particular process. So this is how you go about it. Once you open your Nodepay like this, if your Nodepay is open, come to click on signal. If you click on signal, it will open. Once it open, you see this place, the right season 2. Click on it. If you click on it, you see season 1 has ended. Season 2 is ongoing. Click on season 1 that ended. Allow it to load. Okay. Here you can see it. You can see it, right? So once you participated on this and you are very sure you participated on this, just go ahead and do this very simple task. You see what you earn from season 1 signal trial. But make sure that you have Nodepay in your wallet. You must have Nodepay in your wallet before they will be giving you access to partake in the signal. If you do not have Nodepay in your wallet, you can't partake.